Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a slightly weird tutorial for you. Basically this is a skull but in summer colors. I wanted to do a skull because I like painting skulls and I haven't done one in a while, and I just really, I don't know, I like the aesthetic of them, like the whole symmetry, shading thing. But I did want to do it in summer colors because it is summer after all, so yeah. So most of this video is really just me painting with music in the background because I was sort of figuring this out as I went as well. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Now, whatever sort of type of skull you're going for, I'm going for a more sketchy style, I think. It always pays off, usually at least, to do the outlines first with a pencil, just so you know where every space is going to be roughly. This is easier to remove than a paint, after all. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so that's on there. Also, probably should have mentioned that to begin with, but I did already apply like a thick layer of foundation and concealer and powder just to have a very nice and even underground for the paint. Yep, just so you know. Anyway, I think I'm just going to start somewhere and take you along for the ride because I don't actually know the theory of what I'm going to do either. I'm just going to wing it, as usual. So yeah, let's grab the paint and let's get on to it. Now, first off, I'm going to fill in all the hollow parts of the skull. Basically, normally I would do this in black, but considering that I'm going for a psychedelic skull and not for a fully realistic one, I figured I might as well go for blue because I felt like it. So yeah, our shadows today are going to be blue. And I'm just using eyeshadow brushes for this, by the way, because it doesn't really matter. Or at least not if you're using the same type of paint as I am. I'm using Kryolan Aqua Colors, which are water activated. So you don't need to worry about your brushes, you can just wash them again and they'll be fine. Okay, we have this now, and like I hoped, it just matches better with my pale blue backdrop than, you know, black shadows would have. Believe it or not, this backdrop is actually white, not blue. I don't know, it's camera magic. Anyway, now I'm just going to grab my eyeliner brush and paint stripes around it in multiple colors. This is gonna be fun. Now, first off, I'm just using orange. And the fun thing of this part is it doesn't need to be symmetrical, it doesn't need to be neat. It just needs to exist, basically. So I'm pointedly not making it symmetrical. This is supposed to just look random, because this is only the first color and the other ones we're also just going to apply at random. Not all the teeth are going to get every color right away, because otherwise I just wouldn't have enough space. So something like this, and then just onto the next shade. And then onto pink, and like I said, just add as many colors as you want. Whatever colors you want is fine too. And you know, no rules, no restraints. Just put on whatever color you feel needs to be there. Now, I think we're done with the paint. I like how it looks thus far, but I want to add some more color. So now I'm just going to use a blending brush and put some eyeshadow on. Not on my eyes, obviously, but basically pretty much everywhere else. Again, no rhyme or reason. I just feel like it could use some more random soft color, so I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so we have a little bit of rainbow there, and now we're going to put a little bit of rainbow somewhere else too. I don't know. Also, by the way, one thing I find very confusing is that Pride Month has already been in America, and now it is in the Netherlands, and now I'm seeing rainbows everywhere again, and I'm like confused because I'm like, huh, did another year pass? No, it didn't, huh? I don't know, I find it confusing, you know, like just pick one month for things, because otherwise I get confused. I get confused easily, admittedly, especially with dates and stuff. Anyway, but yeah, it does give me another reason to do more rainbow looks this month as well, because I'm in the Netherlands, I'm Dutch, so yeah. Then again, every excuse to do rainbow is a good excuse, because I love rainbow looks. So basically what I'm trying to say here is I'm just putting random bits of rainbow all over my face. So this bit here is just going to be a green and blue turquoise-ish bit. And I think I'm gonna do a purplish bit at another part of my face. Just, you know, to keep things interesting. Because, you know, everything else on the face was so incredibly boring thus far. Now, you could think you're done at this point, but we're not, because I just decided, because this is a sort of look, you know, you start somewhere thinking, I want to do a skull because I like skulls, but I want to do it colorful because I feel like using color. You end up with this and then decide, hey, I also actually want some little painted stars on it in white body paint. So that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, this is the idea. I just want to sort of center it on the colored parts, or at least, you know, the eyeshadow colored part. Why did I pick a part of my face that moves when I talk? I did not think this through. Anyway, we're just going to do rough little star-ish shapes. And just go over it as often as you need to really get it to look opaque. Don't need to be perfect stars or anything, just, you know, something cute. And then I'm also going to put little round stars around it as well. Just to make it all look a little bit more complete. And I just decided I want to have my eyelashes white as well. Stands out nicely over the blue face paint. So I'm just gonna do that too. Okay, and now we're actually done. And it leaves us with the final results. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more of my videos, I actually mostly do wearable eye looks, then you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!